Butter chicken. That looks sweet. That recipe is so easy and so delicious. We'll tell you all about that. That's right. Hey, you know what? If you're gonna roast a chicken, you better have a real simple, nice marinade to go along with that bad boy, and something that is kid-friendly. And this is exactly what it is. Why? It's got some lemonade in it. You know, I can remember when my kids were little, if you tell them that this recipe and this marinade has got lemonade in it, they're gonna be waiting at the table for you. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Put that right in here. You've got a little garlic in there, a little cilantro. Gotta love the cilantro. Put it right in there. And now a little lime. And this is where we start getting into the kid-friendly aspect of it. And the adults will love it too. Just throw some lime in there, a whole lime, and then some lemonade. A la, the kids will come running right after that. So,
yeah.
Very nice, very nice. The lemonade. Now some oil, extra virgin olive oil. Put that in there. A little salt and pepper. I like it. Delicious and simple, and that's the key right here. Mix that up, and that is quick and easy, and that's why we like it. Carrie, can I get those chickens from you, please? Oh, very nice. Got the chicken. Oh, yeah. Gotta put this marinade in the bag really quickly. Can you hold this for me, sweetheart? What's your name?
Kaylin.
Right in there. Very nicely done. Just keep holding that bag if you can for me. For one, Mr. Chicken. Two, Mr. Chicken. There we go. Zip that up, and now we schmooze. This is a schmooze. This is what we call a schmooze, right? This is going in the fridge for an hour. Marinade is done. It's in the bag. We smooshed it. Now all we need is the real chickens that have been marinating in the fridge for over an hour. Beautiful. How gorgeous is that? Hey, you remember I talked about lemon lime butter chicken? Well, we need to butter these up. And now, Jenna, your help here, please.
For sure.
Yeah. We need to butter these, okay? Got some butter right here. Can you show them how we do this? See, I can't do this, right? Because I'm an ex-quarterback, and I cannot be known for having butter fingers, right? She's getting that butter up underneath that skin there. Why? Well, real easy. Those two parts right there are the breast. And that's usually the leanest part of the chicken, meaning there's no fat, okay? We want to help that out by infusing some juiciness and even more tenderness when we put it on the rotisserie, and it'll just melt into that chicken, make it oh so delicious. All right, Jenna's buttered the chickens very nicely, got all that butter up underneath the skin. Now we're just gonna skewer these bad boys. And Carrie, we're just gonna get it right through the cavity of that chicken right there, and we're gonna secure them. We're gonna do a little bit more securing here with a little truss. A little trussing, huh, Carrie? We gotta secure this because when this is going around and around, you don't want those legs flying all over the place because you want everything to cook evenly. It's buttered up, it's marinated up. Now it's locked in position. Now we can take it right over the grill and get cooking. Very nice. I got the rotisserie chicken right here. Lemon lime butter chicken, real easy. Put it in there, turn it on. You've got it all trussed up. Heat here, no heat in the middle. As you can see, we've drip pan in the middle. Why a drip pan? Catch all those juices, all that flavor, all that fat, just right in there. You'll be able to use that for basting about every half an hour. We got 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius, just like your oven at home. You want to see a finished product? Let's walk over here. Very easy. This is gonna be crazy. Sit tight. Oh, hour and a half later, after you've done a little bit of this, taking those juices, just basting away, taking all that flavor, putting it back on that bad bird.